In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT agents without any coding skills needed. This feature is available to those using ChatGPT Plus, Pro, or Enterprise accounts, so be sure you're logged in with one of those paid plans. First, start by logging into your account to begin the setup process. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left. You're looking for the option labeled Explore GPTs. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a space where you can explore and create your own ChatGPT agents. Now, to move forward, you should click on the button that says Create a GPT. This is where the fun begins, as you'll be customizing your agent to suit your needs. Start by giving your agent a name and description. This will help you and others understand its purpose at a glance. Think about what your agent will do and try to encapsulate that in a catchy or descriptive title and summary. Next, you'll want to add some personality traits. These traits will help shape how your agent interacts with users. Consider terms like friendly, formal, or maybe even step-by-step teacher, depending on what you envision. These characteristics will inform the tone and style of your agent, enhancing the user experience by making interactions more personalized. Following that, you'll need to provide custom instructions for your agent. Don't worry, you won't be dealing with coding or technical jargon. Just convey your instructions in plain English. This is your chance to define how your agent should operate and what specific actions it should take when interacting with users. For those who want to enrich their agent's capabilities, you have the option to upload files. If your agent needs to reference certain documents, go ahead and upload those now. This is optional but can be quite handy if your agent needs a bit more data to work with. Another optional feature you might want to consider is enabling actions such as web browsing, reading PDFs, or analyzing data. Activating these abilities allows your agent to perform more complex tasks and offer a wider range of assistance to users. Once all the details are set, use the preview section to test out your agent and chat with it. This is your trial run, so make sure everything is functioning as expected. It's a great way to catch any issues before making your agent live. Finally, when you're satisfied with your agent's performance, click Publish to make it available in your account. Congratulations, you now have a fully functional ChatGPT agent ready to assist you and others in your network. Thanks for watching this tutorial and happy chatting.